If your ink's too slow and your nib won't flow, here's one of the places that you can go. Larry is here to see you through with Mr. Announcer and Cubby too. It's Larry's Fountain Pen Reviews.
Hi folks, Larry here, and it's time to announce the winner of the, Mr. Announcer,
Tokyo Blue Denim Ink.
And the winner will pick up these inks from Pen Boutique. And I'll get in touch with Lena and let them know who won, and we'll get the certificates ready, how they're going to do it to get to you so you can get your inks. Right? Right. Cool. And Mr. Announcer said 1, didn't he? But then he went ahead and did 2, didn't you?
Yes.
Wow. Okay. So, Mr. Announcer, will you do the honors and name the winners of the giveaway?
Okay, the 2 winners who posted the correct pronunciation of the word Tokyo are Paul Herman and Jacob Roseberry. And if you're curious, the absolutely correct pronunciation is 2 syllables only. Tokyo. Not Kyo, but Kyo.
Well, there you have it. Congratulations to
Paul Herman and Jacob Roseberry.
Mr. Paul and Jacob! You guys won it. Cool. And thank you for everybody that was entering. You were close, but that's it.
And don't forget, send your addresses to Larry at larryb0711@gmail.com.
Send me your email, too, because what's going to happen is probably Pen Boutique will send you an email making that like a gift certificate, so you can just use that, and you can call them and use that certificate, or you can email them and use it. So tomorrow I'll get the other part done so you can get your part done. Okay? Cool? Cool. Anything else, Mr. Announcer?
That does it for this time around.
Well, that's going to do it for now, and congratulations to the winners. See you later. Peace, love, be kind to a stranger, be cool like your school, and don't text and drive. Bye-bye.